I have made a complete unboxing video on this laptop in my channel. If you want to click the icon to watch the video, which I bought this on Amazon Prime Deals, which was the previous month, 26-27 of July 2021. So let's start in this video. I'm going to do a short review on this laptop, whether to buy this or not. Let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to Korotech. In this channel, some tech videos, reviews like this one, and some tutorials, some tips and videos, unboxing videos, and all kind of techie stuff, some internet broadbands, and every kind of tech. If you're new here, you can subscribe down the red button. That's the red subscribe button. If you also subscribe my channel, like, comment, share your friends, community, all kind of techie stuff. So this is the channel where I do tech, all kind of things. So let's talk the world technology. Technology is the future, as Elon Musk says. So let's start this video. So this is the laptop, as you can see here. This is a laptop I bought for 38,000 Indian rupee on Amazon Prime Deals. So this is a laptop on configuration, has i3 configuration, Intel i3 with J10 generation, and it has 8GB RAM with 256GB SSD. I didn't buy this for HDD, that's storage device, because we can just buy a 4,500 rupees 1TB 1.5 hard drive and attach it and then use it. So that's nothing much, because we need SSD to run the laptop very smooth, and also RAM is required. So I didn't go for any such laptop, such thing. So I bought this. If you want to buy a laptop on 40,000 rupees Indian rupee, like that thing, I would recommend you to get this kind of laptop in any company. This kind of laptop, this is the best, with 8GB RAM or 4GB RAM with 1TB HDD or 256 SSD with couple of things. Okay, it's fine. But if you're preferring like running software, such things, I recommend you to go for 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD, because hard drive is not a matter. We can just plug in and then use it. So that's it. So this laptop is really sleek and amazing, as I said in the previous video. So let me just boot this one up and then show you. So I'm going to boot this laptop on. So let me just click the power key and let's wait for some time. Yeah, it didn't turn on, so I think I have to press and hold the power key for some time, I think so. So let's wait. No, it's not giving some response. So I think the battery is drained off. So let me just put some battery. So just hold on. So now I have plugged the charge thing, you can see here. So now let me just turn on the power key. Yeah, with a single key it just turned on. You can see a cool Lenovo logo just pops up, and it takes some time to load up. I'm just adjusting the the lighting so that you can see the logo perfectly. I mean the laptop screen, you can see, I think so. So it takes a couple of time to load up, so I'll just speed up a bit. Yeah, as it's the first time, it takes quite a lot of time. Yeah, it says welcome, hi there, yeah, it says I'm the Cortana. Yeah, I can't skip this one. It's automatic, I think so. No, my country is India, so just hold on. I'll just click the I button. It's not working. Yeah, it's India, and then click S. Yeah, I'll click the English India and again give S. No, I just don't want. I'll just skip. So I want to connect to my home Wi-Fi Korotech. So just hold on. So let me just give next, and it's connecting. As if some case in software updates are coming up, it will automatically do that such things. Yeah, it's talking, but I don't want to interfere with thing. I'll just turn this one off. It's not turning off. Okay, just give next. I'll just mute this one, which is just irritating with my mic, so sorry for that. Yeah, it's the I just unboxed, and you can see this is the Windows 10 license agreement. So all such things are automatically everything is there. So I didn't give such things, so I'll give accept and move on. As it's not my laptop, I'll just try to skip it up. No, it's asking to use, but I'll just yeah, it doesn't go out or such things. So let me just give my email ID. Later on I can change it up. After setting the Microsoft account, it asks create a pin. So I'll just create a pin in order to speed up the process. So I'll just give a pin to start. Now it says some online speech recognition. I just don't want that. Let me just turn off, because I it just irritates all the time. So just let's give next and go move on. Let's give skip. Yeah, remind me later. No, yeah, this is a very tedious process. It takes one, everything comes up a bit, so it takes quite a lot of time. So I think it's the final thing. Got it. Oh my goodness, it's taking a lot of time. Yeah, this is my name. Yeah, I just give skip. I don't want this diva because it's not my laptop. So I'll just create and then remove my account from here. So I think it's talking now because I just turned off the mic audio thing. So it is hi, my name is Rais Ahmed from Quratech. Okay, just kidding. As you can see, it pops up really cool and attractive. Oh my god, the first thing I have to do to this laptop is the refresh thing. Yeah, let me give refresh. Yeah, I'm now satisfied with this one. So let me just go to the properties and then show you what is this laptop, everything. So just hold on a bit. I'll just go to the update and security. I'll just go to the system and I'll go to the about section. So you can see here, this is the laptop that I bought. You can see processor i3 10th generation and the speed of such thing, RAM is 8 GB. The product here is such thing. I'm hiding this one up. So that's all. Everything with the Windows is Windows 10 Home, single language, so everything is good. So now let me just go to the computer and this PC and check it out what is present there. Yeah, you can see only Windows SSD is there because I bought that only that one. I didn't buy the HDD version. So yeah, we can manage with this. If you want, you can insert a hard drive and then use. So no, there's nothing much is there. So that's all about this laptop, and this is really freaking cool and amazing. So now let me just switch off the laptop and then again I will just turn on to check the boot speed, how much it's coming or not. So just hold on. So I'm going to take the timer. You can note it down. 3, 2, 1, start. Yeah, it takes some time for the logo to pop up, and I think the lock screen will pop up in a bit or two. That's it. The lock screen pops up, and I'm going to put the security key here. And oh, that's it. I didn't even press the enter key. That automatically turns on. Yeah, I think approximately it's around 10 to 15 second maximum to boot the laptop. So it is really freaking cool and amazing. I'll just turn on the Microsoft just in case to check the processor and speed, such thing, how it's working. I'll just do a speed test, okay, just fine, there's such things. Okay, let's check it out, whether how much it's syncing with the internet or not. So let me just show you here. Click the thing, go, and let me just check it out. Yeah, it's not it's not very slow or something. It's somewhat connecting with the Wi-Fi and doing such amazing thing. Yeah, my speed also it's 200 milliamps, so there's not much to worry about that one. So that's fine and such things. So let me just go to YouTube and then do a video test, so in case to check it out. So let me just go to my channel Quratech and give search, and you can go to my channel and let me just play this giveaway video. Yeah, it is not it's not bad. Yeah, it's very fast and very reliable. Yeah, it's not a 4K video, but I recorded in 4K, so I'm giving 4K. Yeah, my phone is not capturing accurately, but my laptop screen is kind of cool. Yeah, I'll just play a 4K video just in case to check the clarity of the screen. So this is the 4K video I recorded. As you can see, everything is crystal clear on the screen. Yeah, you can see the motions and such things. It's really cool and attractive. So that's all about the video and also kind of test. So let me just close everything. Yeah, they gave McAfee software for 30 days trial version. So that's all. Nothing much about this one. So let me just go back to my setup. So that's all about this video on this laptop. Another one thing is that there's a small tiny sound which comes from the laptop down. Yeah, I think some kind of process is hard drive running or not. I think so. But yeah, I think that's the sound. It's not very much loud. It's very quiet. Yeah, it's negligible, but the sound comes. So that's all. I don't much. I didn't feel some kind of lag or something. Yeah, it's very fine. As it's i3 processor, it's kind of slow compared to my laptop, which is i5 10th generation. Yeah, that's a very tiny difference. That's all. So if you want to buy a laptop for online classes or for some normal student work like PhD work or some research work, all kind of thing, you can get this laptop with blindfolded. I mean, you can just buy this laptop and work everything such in case you need to complete the work, because it has SSD and 8GB RAM with i3 10th generation processor. So that's the thing you need to run a software or some kind of a small software perfectly. So that's all about this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If not, you like comment below that I need to rectify, I need to improve such things, because every man makes mistakes and learn from mistakes. So this is Rais Ahmed from Quora Tech. See you next video. Before that, follow me in my social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can see it on Quora Tech. So see you next video. Bye bye.